Look at that mess. Look at that. Look at that. All right. So it actually has to go down to this lip here, since that's kind of where the same as the back is. Or does it need to go? You might as well take all of that down to there, because the way it was on the factory one, it's just like it basically went flat to the edge. That's what it did. Does this corner need to come off? Yeah, like all the way down there. So, but what about this part here? It might be okay. I'll have to. We'll have to pretty much this whole strip up here is coming off. Not so much the strip there, but here.
Okay, yeah. So pretty much
outward.
So it's just going to be pretty much this all the way across the top.
Yeah.
Okay. So this whole back is getting trimmed down too.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, now that this has been angle grinded to perfection. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, it's raining too. Let me close this door. Alright, let me see if I could get this on here perfectly. Call it a day on this particular part. Alright, bottom's in there. Make sure the bottom's in there. Let's see. Look at that. Would you just look at that? I gotta figure out why it's not fitting. Okay. It's not quite fitting. And I think it's because of... Alright, so it's not quite fitting. So I'm gonna have to shave this part and that part down. Maybe I can get this whole thing. We'll see. Alright, so shaved it down on the sides. We'll see if it fits now. Alright. Plug it in first. Tuck it in on both sides. Yep, they fell flush. Alright, not quite. I gotta shave off some more. Let's see. I feel like there's one thing preventing it from going flush. I don't know what it is. I think it'll work. I'm just gonna leave it like that because I gotta put the black plate over it, so I'm just gonna let it ride like that. I think it looks good anyway. Yeah, I mean, once I put the black plate, it'll look good. I think that's fine. All right, let me close this out. All right, so got it plugged up. Got it in line, and that's how it looks. Let me put that in real quick. Hold on. Not the best fit, but maybe if I trim the edges on the inside of this, it'll fit better in here, but looks good to me. I don't think this needs a long drawn out video. I got this used off eBay. As you can see here. Well, let's see if I put everything back together, will it work? Unfortunately, the way I have it, it's not fitting flush like it did before, so I'm gonna have to bend this a little bit, but this is pretty easy to bend now that it's in place. But if you want to try, you can get this one and have it up here instead of getting the other one that's made for it to go down here. I think that's way too low. So yeah, I mean, it'll conflict with me reaching over here to get this, so I like it up here. So I'm gonna rock with this. That's what I'm gonna do. Which I should have brought my light, but whatever, it's fine. That was a quad. Now,
I'm about to work on this, the thing. Remember earlier footage? Yeah, I'm gonna do that real quick right now. And one thing I wanted to note that you need to make sure you reset it or else it's not gonna work. Let's go. I'm only doing the driver's side today, and if there's not enough light while I'm working, I'll pull out because I care that much. I don't. Yeah, I need more light. All right, you've been here before with me. There is one screw right here. Let me see if you see it. Oh, I can't see if you see it. Oh well, I didn't flip the thing around and my hands are busy. But yeah, there's one screw there. I need this. I need this. So please don't. So yeah, one screw there, one screw here, and once you remove those, you'll be able to pull it out from the front. No, you can't see me. Oh no, okay. You leave out, pop it out from the front. Like that. Now that makes it easier to take apart what you need to. And for what I'm doing, I need to take this one out, which is easy to reach this way. And then the second one is easier to reach from the other side. So let's do that. Where's my tool? I have a better tool for this. I know I do. Go away. That one's easy to take out. There we go. Hard to do. Now, I guess I'll take this apart real quick since I already know it works. Gotta use the plastic ones. I got one. I actually poked it all the way through. Cool. There you go. Once you pop one side, it'll come right out. I shouldn't say right out. I shan't. I almost said shan't. Anyway. And then the other side. And the last one will be the most difficult, but it pops right out. Replace it. Alright, it's in there. Now, go as close as you can. Do the easy one first. More difficult one second. Now let me show you how to reset it. All you need is a timer, and you need seconds. 10 of them. Alright, so first, both windows. Don't push it all the way down, just halfway. Then you do, oh, I forgot to hold it, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let go. Pull it all the way up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I guess you have to do it from the top. Alright, I guess it doesn't work with it. I tried. It is red though, that's good. Yeah, so it will not work. I was thinking all I had to do was reset it, but no. I was overconfident and put this in there. I guess I better turn this off. Oh well. Video canceled. We're over. We're done. This is an experiment waiting to happen. Alright. That's your part number right there.
see how much work I'm gonna have to do. Oh, it's just one of them. Alright, well, that's gonna be interesting. I was hoping that they would send the whole entire thing. This was $80. This one little part of it was $80. I was expecting the whole entire thing, but I'm gonna see if I can unplug the passenger one and put this in its place. Might as well try. I mean, I'm gonna take it all apart, and that's gonna take a while, but not right now, because it's dinner time.
All right, let's do this real quick before it gets too dark. This won't be working, so press down all the way. I'm watching the timer for 10 seconds. So that should be 20 something. All right, that should be good. And now half speed going all the way going up. And hold it. All right, that should be 30, 43. There you go. That works. Oops. And that's how you do that. And you can't put the well, at least not the Forester ones. Only this one works, so you can't get both sides on your 15, sadly. Yeah.